India possesses about 8.9% of tribal population, amongst which is Koya tribe, located in Telangana. The sole organizers of the largest tribal festival in Asia, Medaram Jatara, experiencing 10 to 15 million people. Still, the Koyas thrive for survival and recognition in the society. The site is located in Bassapur village in Warangal district, Telangana. The site is accessed through a 10-meter wide road which divides the site into two halves. A 15-meter wide Laknavaram stream running beside the site and irrigation fields on the right side of the site. The project aims for a wholesome development of the community through design strategies developed keeping in mind the growth of an individual as well as the community. Challenges threatening the survival of the community are poor living conditions, lack of proper workshed areas, lacks quality education space, lacks proper water collection system, loss of character with time, and worship area in ruins. The concept revolves around two main aspects. One, forming a policy framework where collective and individual development will go hand in hand. Derived areas to be designed are Skill Development Center, Education Center, Cultural Display Area, better habitable areas, worksheds, and common facilities. Second aspect focuses on faith of people as a focal point. A primary axis is conceptualized through the existing temple and a secondary axis through the middle of the site. Therefore, the design approach will be understanding the life, the space, and finally the built form. Secondary axes have already been drawn on the site. The site experiences prevailing wind from the southeastern direction. The tribal dwellings are placed on the primary axis facing towards the existing temple. The workshed area is placed just next to the dwellings, creating a major chunk in between designated for common services and recreational activities for the tribals. Zone 2, making the accessibility easier for the children, the Pathshala has been placed opposite to the habitat area, orienting towards the prevailing wind direction. Creation of intermediate open spaces for better learning and retaining around the tree learning style is maintained. Next to the temple, Training and Skill Development Center is placed. As for them, craft is worship. The longer side is facing towards the direction of the prevailing wind from the southeastern direction. The open green spaces will act as hands-on construction areas for the trainees as well. Therefore, a major connection is formed. The whole area in front of the temple has been pedestrianized for the tribals as well as the tourists. Next to the temple is the cultural display area placed, which lies at the initial point of the site, making the area more visible to the people. Hence, the spaces are designed keeping the existing temple faith as a factor. The primary users of the tribal habitat and workshed area are the tribals themselves. The open green spaces depict the common gathering areas within the community. The spaces of a tribal dwelling are designed in accordance with their lifestyle and basic needs. Cattle area on stilt and a personal working area and veranda, semi-open kitchen, and a separate higher platform for women. Various other elements also reflect the indigenous lifestyle of the tribals. Tribal workshed area where mass production takes place, a bamboo sustainable material is used which is grown locally by the tribals. As we enter this area, a tourist trail leads us to the workshed area on our right, having semi-open spaces with in-between courtyards, further leading to the habitat area where all the huts are placed, inward facing the temple. This trail acts as an intermediate space between the tourist and the tribals. Skill Development and Training Center aims at teaching vernacular architectural techniques to the trainees. A section cutting through the training center depicts courtyard acting as a multi-purpose area for studio come hands-on construction techniques. The training area focuses on restructuring the tribal bazaar area, reframing studio come courtyards, and reinterpreting ghats near the stream. The Skill Development and Training Center can be approached through a bridge that connects the habitat area with training center where tribals and tourists can learn and grow together. Shaded walkways lead to the courtyards used multifunctionally as open training studios. Further leading to the right, ghats are designed to retain its indigenous quality. A lodging area is also designed for the trainees. The temple axis creates a central vista where traditional Koya cultural walls flank on both the sides. The tribal Pathshala is planned in accordance to the existing trees, expansioning horizontally. Their local medicinal plantation area is designed next to the stream for students to imbibe traditional knowledge. Through this design, a prototype model has been created which will help the tribals residing in or around the site to stand strong in today's scenario while retaining to their socio-cultural attributes.